Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. In today's video, we're diving into positive parenting. Every parent has a unique approach, but do you know what yours is? This quiz will help you discover your parenting style, authoritative, permissive, or something in between, and how it impacts your child's development. With 25 thought-provoking scenarios, you'll have 10 seconds to choose your response. Grab a pen and get ready to learn how your parenting approach shapes your child's future. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! A child throws a tantrum in a store. What's the best response? Stay calm, acknowledge their feelings, and set boundaries. Or ignore it or give in to stop the tantrum. Stay calm, acknowledge their feelings, and set boundaries. Would you rather set strict rules for bedtime and screen time, or let your child decide their own schedule? Which option did you choose? Comment down below. A child refuses to eat vegetables. What should be done? Encourage them by making mealtime fun and offering choices. Or force them to eat, or let them skip it entirely. Encourage them by making mealtime fun and offering choices. Did you know? Studies show that children raised by authoritative parents who balance warmth with structure tend to have higher self-esteem and better social skills compared to those with authoritarian or permissive parents. Would you rather give your child a timeout for misbehavior or talk to them about why their actions were wrong? Tough choice. What's your pick? A child breaks a rule. What's the best approach? Explain why rules matter and enforce a fair consequence. Or punish strictly or let it slide. Explain why rules matter and enforce a fair consequence. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Would you rather encourage your child to solve their own problems or step in and fix things for them? This one's tricky. What would you do? Guess the famous person by emoji. Let's give a hint. Famous TV nanny who helps parents with discipline issues. Joe Frost, super nanny. A child wants to quit an activity they just started. What's the best way to handle it? Discuss their reasons and encourage perseverance. Or let them quit immediately or force them to continue. Discuss their reasons and encourage perseverance. Would you rather reward good behavior with treats or toys, or praise them with words and affection? This is a tough one. What's your final answer? A child resists doing homework. What's the best approach? Set a routine and offer support when needed. Or leave it entirely up to them or force them to do it. Set a routine and offer support when needed. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? The permissive parenting style leads to the most disciplined and well-behaved children. Yes, you are right. It's false. Permissive parents set few rules, often leading to impulsive behavior and difficulty with self-control. Would you rather let your child skip homework to avoid a meltdown, or insist they finish it even if it leads to tears? Which option did you choose? Comment down below. A child talks back. What is the best response? Stay firm, but listen to their feelings. Or punish them immediately or ignore it. Stay firm, but listen to their feelings. Would you rather allow your child to eat dessert before dinner or stick to a strict no sweets before meals rule? This is a tough one. What's your final answer? Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. A child struggles with a social problem. How should this be handled? Help them find a solution and build confidence. Or solve the problem for them or leave them to handle it alone. Help them find a solution and build confidence. Would you rather let your child choose their own extracurricular activities or pick activities you think will benefit them most? Which option did you choose? Comment down below. A child lies about something. What's the best reaction? Talk to them calmly about honesty and consequences, or punish harshly or ignore it. Talk to them calmly about honesty and consequences. Did you know? Many parents don't fit neatly into one style. Your approach may shift based on circumstances, your child's temperament, or even how much sleep you got the night before. Would you rather give your child an allowance without conditions or tie their allowance to chores and responsibilities? Which option did you choose? Comment down below. A child wants to make an important decision. What's the best way to guide them? Offer advice while allowing them to decide. Or make the decision for them or give them total control. Offer advice while allowing them to decide. Would you rather let your child wear whatever they want to school or choose their outfits for them? Tough choice. What's your pick? Guess the famous person by emoji. Let's give a hint. Famous singer who wrote a song about being a new mom. Blue. Beyonce. How should screen time be managed? Set reasonable limits and explain why. Or allow unlimited screen time or ban it completely. Set reasonable limits and explain why. Would you rather allow your child to stay up late on weekends or enforce the same bedtime every night? This one's tricky. What would you do? A child loses a game and becomes upset. What's the best approach? Teach them about sportsmanship and trying again. Or ignore their feelings or let them blame others. Teach them about sportsmanship and trying again. True or false time. Is this statement true or false? Parenting styles can change depending on the child's personality and environment. Yes, you are right. It's true. Many parents adjust their approach based on their child's needs and life circumstances. Would you rather let your child quit a sport or activity they don't enjoy, or encourage them to stick with it for the season? This one's tricky. What would you do? A child wants a toy at the store. What's a good response? Teach them about saving and rewards. Or buy it immediately or refuse with no discussion. Teach them about saving and rewards. Would you rather give your child a smartphone at age 8 or wait until they're a teenager? This is a tough one. What's your final answer? Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. A child is scared at night. What's the best way to help? Comfort them while encouraging independence. Or dismiss their fears or let them sleep in the parent's bed every night. Comfort them while encouraging independence. Quiz complete. Did you discover something new about your parenting style? Share your results in the comments. Want more insightful parenting tips and quizzes? Subscribe now and hit the bell to keep growing with us. See you in the next one.